So hello. So today we had a self-defense training. It was really great and helpful. I think every woman should go ahead and have that kind of training once in a while in their life so that they know how can they protect themselves.
Okay, can you see this way? You can don't put one hand this side and one hand this side. Put both your hands in one of the sides. Okay, so I'm here.
And he just taught us in a very simple way, and also it could able to within a 2 hours of class could get us a huge learning. So yeah, and we wish we could learn it ahead. Yeah.